I'm the channel logo. Dude, you're still not the channel logo. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yeah. You know you're seriously not the channel logo, right? Hey guys, break it up. It's just a channel logo. I'm the channel logo! No, you're a 3x3, but you're the wrong brand. Me, the channel logo? I thought you were J-Perm's channel logo. Oh yeah. You mean that channel? Yeah, but you're a 2x2. Who else would have a 2x2? Like, why would a single person put a 2x2 for their logo other than J-Perm? I don't really know. Yeah, whatever. Hey, you're new, right? You're new, right? You're new, right? You're new, right? Great. Now we're all in a mess. And I'm new. Hey, where did Megaminx go? He's gone. Oh, thank goodness Megaminx ain't sticking around anymore. Megaminx was the most guy I've ever seen. Well, yeah, duh. I'm not. He's way too big to be a cube. He's not even a cube. You're cube. You're a cube. Hey, what in the world? Why are you a pyramid? Because I am. And now I'm just gonna go on top of you. I'm gonna go You could have broken my bone. Well, good thing pyramids ain't sticking around anymore. I have a tip top, you know. Wait, oh yeah, I forgot. What's a tip top? I mean, like tip top, tip top. You could have killed me. No, I haven't. I know you never kill me. Duh. Duh.